A subtropical climate reigns over the northernmost parts of the country. The plant species have various profiles and adapt to the environment. In Bahia, the coast is fringed with a mangrove which thrives in slightly salty water. The mangrove trees form a very dense tangle. Without a guide, getting your bearings and going through it is impossible. The mangrove is an endless reservoir of wildlife, aquatic life and land life. Birds such as the Australian pied cormorant have chosen it as their home. Martin Vreed is an expert on their habits.
What they'll do is they'll colonate one particular tree until